The emergence of the Marathas. The emergence of the Marathas is a fascinating chapter in Indian history. The Marathas played a significant role in shaping the course of Indian history during the 17th and 18th centuries. Here is an overview of their emergence. Early origins. The Marathas trace their origins to the western Deccan region, primarily present-day Maharashtra. Initially, they were a small warrior community known as the Marathas, under the suzerainty of various empires, including the Delhi Sultanate and the Bahmani Sultanate. Shivaji Maharaj. Pivotal figure in the emergence of the Marathas was Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, 1630 to 1680. He established the Maratha Empire by unifying a number of Maratha chieftains. Shivaji is renowned for his guerrilla warfare tactics and his ability to challenge the mighty Mughal Empire. He carved out a kingdom that included significant parts of modern Maharashtra and expanded it through a series of conquests. Coronation as Chhatrapati. In 1674, Shivaji assumed the title of Chhatrapati, Emperor, and was formally crowned in a grand ceremony at Raigad Fort. This event marked the establishment of an independent Maratha state. The Maratha Confederacy. After Shivaji's death, the Maratha Empire faced internal and external challenges. However, the Maratha leadership, including prominent figures like Peshwa Balaji Vishwanath and his successors, worked to consolidate and expand Maratha influence. Marathas versus Mughals. The Marathas engaged in prolonged conflicts with the Mughal Empire, especially during the reigns of Aurangzeb and his successors. These conflicts, known as the Maratha-Mughal Wars, were marked by shifting alliances and military campaigns. Expansion and decline. At its zenith, the Maratha Empire extended its influence over a vast territory in northern and central India, including regions in present-day Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and even parts of the south. However, internal divisions and external pressures eventually weakened the Marathas. British East India Company. The Marathas also had interactions with the British East India Company, leading to conflicts such as the Anglo-Maratha Wars. These conflicts further eroded Maratha power. Third Anglo-Maratha War and Subsidiary Alliance. The Third Anglo-Maratha War, 1817 to 1818, marked the end of Maratha rule as the British East India Company defeated the Marathas and imposed the doctrine of lapse and subsidiary alliance, effectively reducing the Maratha states to subordinate positions. The emergence and evolution of the Marathas in Indian history is a complex and dynamic process, shaped by various factors, including warfare, diplomacy, and leadership. It's a crucial topic for competitive exams, and understanding it in depth can provide valuable insights into India's historical trajectory during this period.